Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to make a video call with someone on Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First click on Telegram app icon. After that, select the person who you want to make a video call with him. Let's try this one. Click on three dots which shown on top right. Here you can find several options like call, video call, search, clear history, mute notification, and delete chat. Now we want to make a video call. Just press on this icon. Now it's calling. That's it. In this video, we explain how to make a video call with someone on Telegram app. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.